Like 1 second. This is 5 tens. Okay. Okay. Do it.
Ma'am, can we post the answers in the chat?
Yes, beta.
Can I tell the answer?
Yes. Say what is 5 tens first? First, write the
0.5.
number here. What is 5 tens?
0.5.
5 tens. Tens means 5 is at the tens place.
Yes,
That
5.
is 5 into
That's
10.
5 into 50. 50.
So that is 50. 5 into tens, no? 5 tens. Okay, then 3 tens. How will you write 3 tens?
0.3.
0.3.
Okay, so now it's 0.3. Now when you add it, what do you get?
50.3.
50.0.
50.3. Yes, not 0.3, it's 3. Okay. So you have to be careful. Always see the places first. Okay, at which place it is. Then form the number and then add. Okay, I'm giving you another one like this. 6 tens plus 400. 6 tens plus 400.
Then, ma'am.
What is the
Ma'am,
number?
64. Ma'am, 0.664.
0.64. Okay, so first tell me this number. Do stepwise, okay? Don't just directly give the answer. You must always, in your school also, you must always do stepwise. You have marks for every.
Ma'am, 0.6 plus 0.04.
Okay. Okay. Now when you add it, then you get 0.6. Okay. Okay, let's take another question like this. 5 tens plus 200 plus 6,000. Now Bhavesh will tell me, Bhavesh, what is the first number, this one? I will ask each one. Yes, Bhavesh, tell me 5 tens.
Ma'am, 5 tenths is 0.5.
0.5.
5.
Neha, what is 200s?
200s is 0.02.
0.02. Very good. Okay, Adya, what is 6,000s? Adya, are you there? Adya, are you there? Who has joined twice?
Ma'am, Harshit.
Harshit, why have you joined twice?
Ma'am, actually, in my laptop it's big screen and I can't hear. I mean, I can't speak, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So 6,000. Harshit, tell me what is 6,000?
Ma'am, 0.006.
0.006. Adya is there? Adya is there. Why Adya is not responding? Adya, tell me what, when you add, what is the answer? Write in the chat box. Quickly write in the chat box. Others also, please find out your answer. 0.526. Okay. Please get your system checked. Okay, Adya? Okay, children, let's take another question. Okay, now this is a word problem. You have to do it by writing statements. Okay, Gopi bought, please write down the question. Gopi bought 3 kg, 500 gram onions and 2 kg, 700 gram tomatoes and 1 kg, 600 gram potatoes. Find the total weight of all the vegetables he bought. Okay, you got the question? You have to find the total weight of all the vegetables Gopi bought. So what will you do?
We add.
Will you do in this case?
Ma'am, we'll add, ma'am.
You will add the weight of all vegetables. Okay. So what will be your first statement in this?
Weight of
Ma'am, number of
onions.
onions bought by Gopi.
Ma'am, weight
Equals
of
to
onions.
Wait 1 second. No, you will not say like this. I will ask you.
Sorry.
See, you have to say turn wise. Okay, Bhavesh, tell me what will be the first statement.
Ma'am, number of onions bought by Gopi.
Okay, onions. It's not number of onions. Onions.
Ma'am, weight of onions.
Weight of onions, you can say. Onions bought by Gopi. So that's how much? 3 kg, 500 grams, right? Okay, next statement, Harshit. Harshit,
Ma'am?
yes.
Ma'am, weight of tomatoes bought by Gopi.
Very nice. Weight of tomatoes
Bought by Gopi.
bought by Gopi. I'm just writing like this so that it's same. But in your notebook, you please write the whole thing. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay?
it's 2 kg 700 grams.
Tomatoes.
Ma'am,
Yes, it's 2
tomato.
kg. Okay, okay. 2 kg, 700 grams. Okay. Adya, what will be the next thing? Adya, your mic is not working. 1 second. Neha, you tell me what is the next statement?
Potatoes bought by Gopi.
Potatoes bought by
Gopi
Gopi.
is equal to 1 kg 600 grams.
1 kg 600 grams. Now, our question is to find the total weight of all the vegetables he bought. So, total weight of all vegetables will be, you will add all these, okay?
Add, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, can you tell the answer?
So, instead of adding here, because it will mess up then, so you please note down this here, okay? So, you can write kg on top. Instead of writing here, you can write kg like this on top. Okay, and grams can be written this side. So this becomes 3 kgs, 500 grams, 2 kgs, 700 grams, 1 kg, 600 grams, right? And then you add them. So when you add them, what do you get?
Ma'am, 7 kg 800 grams. 800 grams.
How much is that?
7 kg 800 grams, ma'am.
800 grams. Okay. 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 This is 7 kgs, 800 grams. Right? So you can write your answer as Gopi bought 7 kg, 800-gram vegetables. Okay. Okay. So this is the way you should write. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So don't never ever give just direct answer. Don't always, don't just add the weights of all the vegetables and give the direct answer. If you give direct answers in your exam or somewhere, then you will get only limited marks. Okay, marks are there for every step. For this step, you have a marks. For writing these steps, you have a marks. You have a marks for this calculation. Okay, you have marks for this part. You have marks for this part. And then you have marks for your final answer. Okay, this is how the marks are given in the exam by the teacher. Okay. If you do only this much part, then you will just get 1 mark. Out of 3 marks, you will get just 1 mark. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So do it stepwise. Okay, let's take another question. The question is, Rashid spent rupees 35.75 paise for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. For science book, find the total amount. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So, the same way we will write the steps first. Okay. Now, Rashid spent so much amount on maths book and 32 rupees 60 paise for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So, you have to find the total amount. So, whenever we are asked to find something total, what do we do? When words like
Addition.
total, all together,
Addition.
Addition.
addition. Okay. Total, all together. Okay. These type of words are given. We do addition then. Okay. So what will be the first statement? Bhavesh?
Ma'am, Rashid spent for maths book equals rupees 35.775.
Okay. So Rashid spent, please, everyone please write the statement, first statement. Rashid spent so much rupees 35.75 paise for maths book. So you can just write here either Rashid spent so much amount or you can write cost of maths book. That also you can write. That also we can write, children. So cost
Yes,
of maths book is rupees 35.75. Okay. Now next statement, Harshit.
Ma'am, cost of science book is equals to 32 rupees 60 paise.
Okay, beta. Very nice. So cost of science book is equal to rupees 32.60 paise. Okay. This is decimal point. Okay. So what we will do now? We are asked to find the total amount. So for the total
Addition.
amount, Neha, what we will do?
Ma'am, will write the total amount spent by Rashid.
So total amount will be 35
Will-
rupees 75 paise and 32 rupees 60 paise. We will add.
add. Yeah.
Okay. We will
Yes,
not,
ma'am.
please children, I have seen many children do the calculation here, but please don't do it here. Okay. This doing like this creates mess. Okay. Sometimes there is no space in the line. So don't do it here. You should always do the calculation below. Okay. Okay. So when you add it, what do you get?
Ma'am, 68.35.
Ma'am,
How much is that?
68.35. Ma'am,
68 point.
68.35.
Okay. 68.35. Okay. Have all got the same? Okay. And what is your last step? The writing the answer. So the amount spent by Rashid is amount spent
by
by Rashid is equal to rupees 68.5. Okay. This is the way you should write. So if you get this question for the statement questions, you always get for more marks. So you get 1 mark for this much part, 1 mark is for this much part, and 1 mark is for final answer. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's take it. I'm just taking the answer for the question for 3 marks. Okay, but you can get it for even 4 marks, or that will depend on the teacher, how ma'am has distributed the marks. But every step carries marks. This you must remember. Okay. Nasreen, please write down the next question. Okay, now I will not do this, you will do this. Okay, each one of you will tell me the statement. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trousers. For her trousers. Find the total weight, total length. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Bought by her. Okay? So, okay, now Neha. Neha, tell me the first statement.
Ma'am, the first statement is length of cloth Nasreen bought for her shirt.
Length of cloth Nasreen bought for her shirt. Okay, your statement is absolutely correct. But one thing is that always make short statements. Okay? Okay, beta, everyone?
Length of cloth for her shirt.
So whatever the shortest sentence you can make, the statement should always be a short sentence. Okay? So cloth, you can write Nasreen bought this much meter cloth for shirt. So which is the way you can write a short statement?
Length of cloth for her shirt.
Length of cloth for her shirt. Okay. Okay. Cloth required for the length of cloth or cloth required for shirt. Can I write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your statement should always be a shortest sentence. But it should be understandable also at the same time. Okay, don't make it so short that teacher cannot understand. So cloth required for shirt is 3 meter 20 centimeters. Okay, Bhavesh, tell me the next sentence, next statement.
Length of cloth required for trousers.
Okay, length of cloth. I'm just writing. Otherwise, you can write cloth required. Length of cloth.
Equals 2 meters 5 centimeters.
Okay. This is 2 meter 5 centimeters. Okay. Now next. Harshit, what we will do next after these statements?
Ma'am, we should add the both clocks, ma'am.
We will add both the
Both the
both length of both the
length.
clothes. Okay. So that will be, see, I can write here, this is 3 meter and centimeter. One thing I can do, I can just add them. Another,
Ma'am,
yes,
can I say the answer?
1 second, beta. Who is this?
Ma'am?
Who wants to say the answer?
Harshit, ma'am.
Harshit, wait for some time. Okay, this is 3 meter 20 centimeters. 2 meter 5 centimeters. So how will you write 5 centimeters here?
Ma'am, 0.5.
0.5. Okay, but for writing 0.5, we will put decimal point here. Okay, understood? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Why I have written like this 3.20? Because when I convert this to meters, this will become what? 3 meter and centimeter will convert to meters. So 20 centimeter will be 0.3.20 meters. Okay? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you are writing like this, then don't write centimeters here. Okay? Then I'm writing this because now this is in meters. Okay? Okay. Now we add them up. What do you get the answer? Now tell Harshit. Yes, Harshit, tell the answer now.
Ma'am, the answer is 5.5 meters 25 centimeters.
Very good. That's 5 meter 25 centimeters. So how will you write your answer? Total length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth is equal to 5 meter 25 centimeters. Okay, you can write it like this also. You can even write it 5.25 meter also. Okay, or you can write it 5.25 meter also. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you are understanding.
Yes, ma'am. Everything.
Okay, let me see. Okay, this is Adya. Okay. Well done, Adya. You're doing and you're writing the answers on the chat box. Okay, good, Adya. Okay. Let's take the next question. Kuldeep. Kuldeep traveled 8 kilometer 600 meter by bus and 4 kilometer 300 meters by car and rest 1 kilometer 50 meter he walked. How much distance did he travel in all? How much distance did he travel in all? Okay. So you have to find the in all. How much distance did he travel in all? When I said Words like total, all together, in all. So what do you mean by this?
Ma'am, addition, ma'am.
Addition. Okay, so these words say that we have to add. So what we have to add? The distance traveled by could be by different means. So what will
Yes,
be my
ma'am.
first statement here? Let's start from with
Ma'am,
Bhavesh.
this
1 second, I'll ask each one of you. Okay, wait for your turn. Bhavesh, tell me the first statement.
Ma'am, Kuldeep traveled by bus equals 8 kilometers 600 meters.
Yes, so you can write here distance traveled
distance
by bus.
traveled by bus.
Okay, your statement, make your statement, try to make the statement the smallest. Distance traveled by bus. Okay, I hope you are writing also in your notebooks. You also solve as I am doing. Okay, so that is 8 kilometer 600 meters. Okay, so if I have to convert this to kilometers, then what will it be, Bhavesh? Bhavesh?
Answer will be 8,600 meters.
This is 8 kilometers, 600 meters. If I have to convert the whole thing to kilometers, then what will I write here? This is
8,
already in kilometer. Only this part is to be converted to kilometers now.
8.6 kilometers.
Yes, 8.6 kilometers, right? Okay. Harshit, tell me the next statement.
Ma'am, distance traveled by car
Very nice. So,
is
distance traveled by car.
is
Is
is equals to 4 kilometers 300 meters.
And if I convert this to kilometers, then what?
It will become 4.300 meters.
4.300. But if I put zeros here, and even if I don't write zeros here, that will not make any difference. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Neha, tell me what will be the next statement.
Distance traveled by walking.
Distance traveled by walking. Very good. Distance traveled by walking. By walking. Okay, so that is 1 kilometer 50 meters. Okay, Neha, now when I convert this to kilometers, what will I write?
It will be 1.05 meters.
1.05 kilometers,
Meter.
right? Okay, now I was asked how much distance was traveled, the total distance that was traveled. So that will be, you will add all of these 8.6, 4.3, and 1.05. And here, since there is nothing here, so I will just occupy these vacant spaces. And then I will add. Now you give me the answer. Harshit, give me the answer.
Ma'am, is it 13.950?
13.950. Okay. Everyone, please check.
We can cancel the zero also, ma'am.
Which zero?
The last.
Which zero? There is no zero here. No? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what will be your answer, Neha? How will you write the answer statement?
Ma'am, distance traveled by Kuldeep is equal
Total
to
distance now. Now, this is the total distance, no?
total distance traveled by Kuldeep is equal to 13.95.
So, I will write total distance traveled is equal to 13.95 kilometers. Okay? Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Let's do another question. Tina had 20 meter, 5 centimeter, Okay, okay. Leave this question. This is subtraction. We have not done subtraction yet, no? Okay.
Ma'am, but it's same like addition.
But the method is the same. So let's take this question. This is on subtraction actually. Okay, never mind. We'll take this. 20 meter, 5 centimeter long cloth. He cuts 4 meter, 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. Now what is she making? She is making a curtain out of it. How much cloth is left with her? How much cloth is left with her? This is just by chance the subtraction question has come before us, but let's do it. Okay, although we have not done the subtraction sums yet, but I'll show you. So in this case, what will be the first statement? Tina had 20 meter, 5 centimeter long cloth. So total length of the cloth is given to us. Okay, so first we will write total length of the cloth, which is given as 20 meter, 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, if I have to convert this to meters, then what will I do? This will be how much? Tell me, children. This will be
20.5.
0.5
Ma'am,
centimeters to
20.05.
meters. 0.5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So total length of the cloth will be this much meters. Okay. Now, cloth used for curtain. Okay, length of cloth used for curtain making. So cloth used for curtain is how much? 4 meter, 50 centimeters. Okay, so this, when I convert this to meters, this will be, tell me now,
4.5 meters.
4.5 meters. Okay, so now what I have to do? How much cloth is left with her? When words like left, take away. So what do we do in this case?
We subtract.
We subtract. Okay, so we will subtract 20.05 minus 4.5. So when you subtract this, what do you get? Please do.
15.5.
Please do. This is, we do it normally as we do the subtraction, and we have 0 here, so we will borrow from here. This becomes 10, then it's 5 here. Now this is again 9 left here. So 9 minus 4 is 5, and you have 1 left here. So that's 15.55. Okay, the subtraction is the normal how you do. Only thing is to be careful about the decimal point. Decimal point should always be below the decimal only. So cloth left with her, cloth left with Tina is equal to 15.55 meters. Okay. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please practice these questions. I'll give you more such questions for homework. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for today, Bache. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. Bye-bye to all. God bless you.